Hey there, it's Tiffany Kent. Welcome back to Elevate Your Equity. Today I'm going to talk about 3 ways we blend family fun with financial wisdom. First topic, cost-effective exercise. Let's talk about workouts. While some shell out a lot of money for fancy fitness classes or commute 30 minutes each way, I hit the pavement. That's right, running outside. It's free. It's a basic, fantastic return on time. And I get a runner's high. Where else would I come up with this crazy idea of creating a video a day for 90 days? Next topic, household diversification. Think of it like your investment portfolio, but with chores. In our house, my husband's the Gordon Ramsay of the family, minus the yelling. He's in charge of the kitchen, turning snails into escargot, while I'm the designated Uber driver. No surge pricing though, thankfully. The kids, they don't dare ask him for a ride, but they are okay with eating his escargot. Last topic, home economics. Now here's the ultimate time saver, laundry. In my house, everyone's their own laundry manager. It's like teaching them early about responsibility, care for their own clothing, and independence. Plus, I get to brag to everyone that my kids, including my husband, do their own laundry in my house. Now that's a huge win. And there you have it, folks. Life hacks from a finance nerd mom. It's all about making every penny and every minute count.